Hi friends, my another video where first I am going to discuss the Selenium WebDriver. As I told you in my previous video that today is the first class you can consider for Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so before learning what is the Selenium WebDriver or how to write the test script in your system, Selenium WebDriver must be installed. Okay, then only you can use. So topic 1 is how to install the Selenium WebDriver in your system. Topic 2, just one simple example that whether whatever we are installing is working properly or not. So just one small script we are going to write. After that installation complete, then how to launch the browser. Okay, so for installation it is divided into two stages. Okay, topic 1, okay, what is topic 1 is installation Selenium WebDriver. So it is divided into two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. In stage 1 we are download the WebDriver jar from the Selenium community, and in stage 2 we are importing whatever jar we are downloaded, that jar we are importing. Okay, so I will go step by step. So stage 1 is download WebDriver jar from Selenium. Actually Selenium community is very good thing. See, if you want that I will go back, you have to first search download Selenium 3.5.0. you can download the latest version also. I am downloading 3.5.0 because it is kind of a stability is there in that version. So we click. After that we redirect to Selenium community. In Selenium community now, whatever release, whatever updates we are getting, all the details are present here regarding the Selenium. You can see the previous release, source code, Maven information, everything. And it is better that you download Selenium related anything from this Selenium community. So here what I need to download, I need to download Selenium 3.5.0. okay, so you can search in previous release. Okay, here you can go 3.5. after clicking 3.5, actually as I told you in my previous video that Selenium WebDriver supports multiple language. So see, different languages are there, but we are going to work on Selenium Java. So you have to search Selenium Java. I think this Selenium Java. Yeah, here you can see 3.5.0. okay, while clicking it will download. Once it's downloaded, you have to go to, I am creating one folder with OCM14 Selenium and keep it that one. After this one you extract it, it generate one folder, and inside that when you are opening, see these many jars are there, and outside also 2 jars are there. Now you have to open Eclipse. When you open Eclipse, you have to right click on the project. Okay, go to build path, add libraries, build path, configure build path. Here you can see libraries tab is there. Click on libraries tab, as already I added, but what you have to do, you have to click on add external jar. Once you click it, you have to go the location where you unzip that folder. Once you go, you have to select these 2 folders and select open. Okay, and then this and this, Control A and open. Okay, Once you click open, all these jar are be reflecting here, and then apply and close. Okay, so once all the jar is imported, you can see one extra reference libraries is created, and inside reference libraries, whatever jar we are imported just now, all are. This reference libraries means whatever external jar we are importing, all jar will keep inside this folder. Okay, so now stage 1 and stage 2 both is completed. So I will again just a revision, go to Selenium community. Okay, what is the step 1? Go to Google for search, download Selenium. Okay, then step 2 is select the link which navigate to Selenium community. Okay, then go to click on previous release. After clicking on previous release, what we have to select? Select Java download. Okay, as I selected 3.5.0, zip whatever you want, you select. Okay, done. Now the stage 2 theoretical, just like a revision. Practical already I saw in step 2, stage 2. What we are doing, import all Webdriver into Eclipse. Okay, so now how to import? Step 1, open Eclipse window. Step 2, create a provide workspace, as this thing already you know, and press OK button. Okay, then step 3, create a Java project. How to create the Java project? File, this thing I think already you people know. File, new project, Java project, and then Selenium project. Okay, after that expand Selenium project. How to expand? Means select, means you can do one thing. Just you can create new package. Okay, after creating new package, right click, as we did. This is the project. Here we did right click, and here we went build path and then configure build path. Okay, right click, build path, config build path, then build path, config build path, then libraries tab. Okay, then libraries tab. After that add external jar, select the downloaded jar, apply, then apply and close. Okay, this is the stage. Okay, then step 6, reference libraries created. Now stage 1 is stage 2, theoretical practical both I discuss. Now topic 1 completed. Okay, now in topic 2, just I am going to check whether whatever we did in stage 1 and stage 2 is worked properly or not. Okay, just apply and close. After apply and close, create one common, okay, create one Java class, waves Java, this one. Then what is the name? Launch. Okay, only launch I am giving. Here you can see. Now what we need to write to I just want to launch a browser, that's it. Okay, so Webdriver equal to new So my first question is, I want to launch Firefox. Okay, so we have to write Firefox. See, it shows an error. Okay, what is the error? See, when you click here, it will show change Firefox driver org Selenium. This one we need to select. After selecting, automatically this will go. Okay, so we are just launching one browser, that's it. This name should be same as this name. Now write 2 times driver, 1 times driver is okay, and here equal to, yeah, it's okay. Now I'm going to save this one. Just see here, no Firefox is open. Okay, now I clicked it, run. See, this one opened. So I launch an empty browser, that's why it is empty. Okay, so topic 2 also completed. In my next topic, I'm going to discuss how we launch a browser and different, like as I told you in my previous video that Webdriver supports multiple browser, IE, Chrome, Firefox. So how it works, how we are going to launch Firefox, Chrome. For Firefox we directly write, but for Chrome, for IE we have to write something different, the script. Okay, some different line of code we need to write. So these things we are going to discuss in my next video. Thank you.